Let's read this newspaper article. Students join forces to help spread the word about adopting dogs in need. 13-year-old Angie Attar started volunteering at a dog adoption center in Westmount last fall. She didn't count on having her heart broken, though. But that's exactly what happened when she met a pair of husky Labrador crosses, Hata and Gypsy. Hata and Gypsy are brother and sister. When they were only 8 months old, their owner shot their kin and all their friends in front of their eyes. That means he killed them. The story of Hata and Gypsy is tragic, but it's not as unusual as you might think. People abandon their animals for all sorts of reasons. They are moving, they don't have time for them, they have a new job, they have a baby, or they're getting a divorce, etc. Hata and Gypsy are still without a home, but their future is bright. Thanks to Attar and dozens of other student volunteers at ECS, Miss Edgar's and Miss Cramp's school, who are working hard to find homes and make life better for many of these helpless dogs. The student volunteers are part of the Underdog Club, a private organization that uses special clinics and public awareness activities to find owners for dogs that are hard to place. That means old dogs, ugly dogs, unpopular dogs, basically the losers, said Fern Breslaw, who helps run the Underdog Club. The ones who get adopted are the winners. The organization started in 2006. Thanks to the help of the students, many of these dogs are finding new homes. A dog changes your life, said one of the volunteers. It puts a smile on your face first thing in the morning. It's there for you. It gives you unconditional love. When you're bummed out or unhappy, they stay out of your way. When you're sad, they're there to comfort you. When you're happy, they're there wagging their tails and sharing your joy and happiness. They really change your life. I don't know how people could live without a dog. Not long ago, Attar's mother asked her daughter why she volunteered to help animals instead of people. She was ready with her reply. Well, people can speak for themselves, she said. They have their own voices, and the majority of the population would rather help people than animals. But these dogs don't have a voice, and because I do, I want to get these dogs as much help as they need. And it makes me feel a lot better knowing I'm helping someone who can't help themselves.